Hi everyone, well, welcome to another week of my UK share picking game. And as you know, we're giving away £150,000 in prizes. It's free to join. Look at the links in the bio. So it's also going to give lots of great insights to you on, and you'll be able to see what other people are doing, what they're picking and how they're doing it. So Ollie Shot takes first place with a great 75% hit rate, average performance of 14%. Okay, I think I'm going to offer him a job. Assuming it's a he. Whereas the FTSE All Share is down 0.37% during the same time. Second and third places are occupied by Dalco on 14.1% per pick. Hedgehog's been up there before, 3.8%. Ollie Shot and Dalco made only 4 picks each, really concentrated. That's what made them amazing average performers. Okay, so what was it that they picked? What might we learn? What insights have we got from the retail clients in the share picking game? And like I said, look at the links in the bio to enter the competition completely for free. £150,000 being given away. Incredible, 46% of all UK share pickers were in positive territory, as the FTSE All Share was down 0.37%. This is fantastic. It's a reflection on you guys. So well done to them. Ollie Shot pick on KGH made him 51% on that one pick alone. What the hell? You got 51% in a week? Have you got some kind of inside information I was going to say I need to know about? I don't need to know about. It's also the reason why he won the league and won the moolah as well. BP and Rolls-Royce reappear as 2 of the 3 most picked companies from all players. However, they're no longer the most picked companies from the top 3 players. So do the top 3 players have an insight the rest of the market doesn't? Probably. The lesson that can be learned is try not sticking with the same companies every week just because it's famous or others are picking it too. And a very good lesson to learn indeed. Okay. What else have we got in terms of the stats? Well, we've got this. 2 of the most picked sectors overall are basic resources and utilities. These 2 sectors are among the most picked for the top 3 players as well. These could well be good plays for the monthly or quarterly games, which we're launching soon. So sign up now. It's free to sign up. Links in the bio. The top 3 players had a similar view to the other players on which sector to pick, i.e. both industrial goods and services and basic resources are most picked by both groups. So hopefully useful insights for you. The stock picking game is a really good way of learning risk-free. And it's part of my campaign for $1million.com to teach more people how to be better at investing. So thank you guys. Sign up, sign through. Okay, thank you very much. More updates to come. So make sure you hit the follow and the like buttons and all the rest of it.